Hello everyone, I'm Jessie. Today I want to introduce our panel light series to you. Here are the popular families adjustable panel light, and we have different back design. The material we have stained iron and die-casting aluminum. And based on this design, we launched a colorful ring design. You can choose the color of the face ring, like the black, green, and silver, and others. And for this series, we have the lenses and also the surface mounted. Now let me show you the light. We can turn on the light separately. And for the surface mounted, the installation is very easy. If you want to know more details about our product, welcome to contact our salesman. Bye.